Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. And let's start today. I think that we are meeting after a long time, almost 1 week's time was there that you people were busy in some training and your ISC was there, so we could not meet in previous week. So might be what we started with, there is a kind of gap. But I don't expect that gap was there because I also expect that all you people are doing such kind of things every day. So therefore, there shouldn't be a gap of or there shouldn't be lack of practice of oral English communication. Okay, and so for CIP session we are meeting after 1 week. That's fine, and let's discuss some activities and some presentations here. So as planned earlier, we people are going to focus on oral communication only henceforth. And so accordingly, we people have planned last two sessions with discussion and individual presentation. So here also, I expect the same thing. You people might have not lost your enthusiasm. You might have not lost your eagerness to participate in communication activities. And so therefore, let's do it in today's session also. So we will begin with individual presentations. If there is anyone who is maybe ready, I don't remember exact names that we people have planned in last session. But if anybody is ready with his or her presentation and uh, he or she is willing to communicate here, so with that we people can begin. And if there is no one to communicate, if there is no one to speak something, in that case we will go for discussion. Okay, so first of all, let me know those who wanted to speak or those who were decided to speak in this session. You just raise your hand so that we can start. Names I have not recorded. I don't remember exactly. So anyone who last time we have discussed that you will speak next time, something like this. Okay, fine. So here it seems that not prepared. Okay, it can be. Okay, from Shubham, he just said that right now it is not possible. So any other someone else? Not necessarily with PPTs. You can begin with oral also. That will be fine. PPTs are not mandatory. Okay, fine. So if no one is there, let's
So
discuss
can
it. Yes, yes, Saifa, you can. Do you want to
I?
share a screen?
No, sir. I won't make PPT.
Okay, it's fine. You can begin orally. That's fine.
Uh, Hi, friends. I am Saifa Payash Patel. I am going to share my views on topic condition of women in our society. Friends, there were two opposite views about women in past. We used to worship them as goddess, and at the same time, women were being persecuted by the male-dominated society. Today, there is much difference between the condition of women in past and present. In past, women stayed at home. It was difficult for them to prove their abilities. They stay at home. The home is the whole world for them. They had to do all the household works like cooking, washing, cleaning. Even it was their main duty to bring up children. Apart from these household works, in past, literacy rate of the woman was quite low. As women generally has no school education, they did not have much freedom like male to think of to express themselves. As a result, they had lower position than the men. But now the condition of the woman is much improved. They don't just stay at home but work with men. They have been doing their best in every field. Besides from the household work, they work in offices, in factories, even if multinational companies also. They are ready to oppose evils against them. Their literacy rate also grown up. They prove that they are no less capable than the men. Today, they enjoy equal freedom like men. They think, they express, they act without any social botheration. Since they will were educated, highly qualified, they earn money to support their family. Today's women are contributing equally well in countries' development and progress. Thus, the rapid change in condition of the women, we can say that the future of women are certainly radiant. Thank you.
Yes, that was nice. I think that Saifa, you have chosen the topic also and presentation also. Both things were very nice for me. And as far as you just used it, it was perfect. Uh, Slightly or minor mistakes, maybe in terms women's calling women, because women and women all know that singular plural. So by subconsciously we may just call it women's. So that is only one thing I realized. Other things were perfect. So you can just work on it. Just try to just communicate with your friends on daily basis. That will help you. And whatever you spoke, it sounds naturally also, but still work on more perfection. So that's all from my side, Saifa.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, so in case of pronunciation, women, if it is singular, you can pronounce it as woman, and if it is plural, it is women. I think that in first year I have taught it. So it is not women, but it is a women that you have to pronounce. So Nikita, that's women. Okay, anyone, any other people who would like to be here or express your views? See, you can choose the topics from your favorable area. It can be entertainment, it can be books, it can be movies, it can be sports, it can be anything, but your people have to come ahead and make it more interactive. Just don't limit it to a kind of theory lecture here. So it is not a kind of theory lecture, but we people have to just make it fruitful for improving our communication, oral communication. So anyone? If not, then we'll go for a discussion. So I will give you a topic for discussion and let's try to discuss that topic. Okay, I think no one is here. So let's go and have discussion on the topic. I hope that you people are able to see the topic is in front of you. And deliberately henceforth you just be habitual for this, that you are going to uh, get the topic on the spot, not earlier or in advance, so that you people can be also prepared for such kind of talk, usually group discussion. So can we give some time for preparation? We'll spend 5 minutes here, and after 5 minutes we people can begin. So right now I can see here it is 3:43. So we'll start at 3:48. Will it be okay? Meanwhile, you can just try to find some pointers for your communication. Will it be okay? Should we start after 5 minutes? Or do you don't want time? Can we start directly? Just reply. Don't be just quiet. Say yes, say no, or something like we will start after 5 minutes or we'll start immediately. Depending upon preparation. Is the topic okay or you feel that it is quite difficult? Will be able impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy? You people are not responding, whether yes or no. Some response should be there. Okay, so you just think of it. Okay, so we will go to another topic. So let's talk about, we'll just close this, and can we go for demonetization instead of COVID-19? Here we'll place demonetization. Will it be okay, or still it is difficult? Because all you people have to understand that topics are like this only, related with usually current affairs, current issues, or something like this. Or again, we'll make it simple. I think that we had such discussion, right? I'll just reply right now. I'm not getting response. And if I'm not getting response, in that case, it becomes difficult. So there should be something, yes or no, or that topic is difficult, or we can't speak, or something. You should speak. Should uniform be compulsory in the college? So there are two sides. You may just stick to one. If you think that uniform is fine for your people, in that case, you just try to tell about it. If you think that that is not okay, you can talk against of it. But do decide it immediately. Okay, fine. Let's begin. We'll discuss this. This is simple topic. So who will start the discussion? Starting discussion means that, in short, you are going to introduce the topic to the audience, to the group members, like this. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
If it is audible, just think how you can start the topic. So, do you understand the meaning of this topic? Should uniform be compulsory in the college or school? It can be. So, this is a kind of verbal question that you can think, and it can be, you just try to talk yes or no. It can be like this. And if it is yes, what are your opinions, viewpoints? If no, what are your opinions, what are your viewpoints? This way we should start. I think that last two sessions we did it well. So what happened with this session? So people are not telling me what problem is with this topic, or the people are not starting also, or the people are not replying also. So if you are like this only, then we will switch to theory lectures only. And I have told you that those theory lectures will be helpful for learning about language. I'm not going to help you about oral communication. So be courageous, say something. It can be wrong in the beginning. You may not be have that much knowledge also about this topic, even that this topic also, but still you just try. That is not a complicated or technical topic as compared with earlier two topics like demonetization or impact of COVID-19 on Indian economy. So in that case, I can listen. But about uniform, you should have your own opinion, whether you like it, whether you don't like it, whether you wanted to make it compulsory or whether you don't want to make it compulsory. Okay, fine. So after maybe that much time spending that much time, if still there is confusion and if you are not in position to talk, then I think that this is not the right way to begin with oral communication. It can be a kind of forced
Hello, sir.
activity. Ah, yes, Nikita.
Uh, can I begin?
Yes, of course you can begin, but others also take note of it that you should always try to come ahead as far as oral communication is concerned. So many times I have told you that you don't just be like just passive listeners. Don't connect passively here. Okay, so everyone try to contribute your opinion. May not be you're going to take the lead and start the topic, but after starting discussion, at least you people have to participate, contribute, say something about this topic which is given here. Okay, and don't wait for me to interfere or don't ask me anything also. I'm here, I will be observing. I will just at the end I may talk about maybe if I have some opinions about it. In that case, I will just deliver it at the end of the discussion. And right now you can just take note of it that we can have time limit also. So 10 to 15 minutes for that we'll discuss this topic. Yes, Nikita, you can start now.
Yes. Everyone has its different opinion. Should they wear the uniform or not? But I think wearing a uniform that promotes school attendance, or we can say college attendance. It also helps to pay attention for our studies, and it also instills a lot of discipline, focus, and good behavior in us. And most importantly, it represents the skills which help us to talk with confidence and gives a sense of motivation. I think uniforms are a great team building resource for all of us, and it will promote togetherness, unity, pride, like this. Okay, so thank you.
Yes, Nikita, I agree with you. Because when we wear the college uniform, it shows our identity on which college we belongs, and also it shows a unity. It creates a friendly environment for studying together, and it shows a sense of discipline. Thank you.
But we have don't much understanding that we won't wear uniform to being friendly. Sorry. I
I didn't understand what you said, Sanskruti.
has to said that we have much understanding that we are friendly, not won't or wear to uniform to be a friendly or a particular identity. We have identity card also.
Hello, sir.
Ah, yes, continue.
Sir, according to me, wearing uniform is really good option because we are come from a different background. Some from good background and some are from normal background. So children are immature and most of them feels less confident while they see others wearing expensive clothes because they have not enough money to buy expensive clothes. So carrying oneself does not mean wearing good dress according to the occasion, but it also means to be confident enough in the way we are. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir, I am agree with this. Because it reduces the financial burden also. But sometimes it feels wearing the same dress every day, it feels like boring or monotonous.
If it feels boring, then we can have one day without uniform.
Yeah, it should be the option for that.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I am agree with this.
But every time it doesn't feel that suppose in the study time anybody is not comfortable in the uniform, or uh, he is comfortable with his another clothes, so it doesn't feel that much of good.
And it's all not about financial problem, it's all about what we think, not we think boring or something else.
Yes, Sanskruti, I am agree with you.
Clothes cannot decide our personality.
If you wear daily one color uniform, then your mind clarity decreases. So in one day, in week, you wear a different color, because according to science, when you see daily one color, your mind creativity decreases. Thank you.
And if we wear a uniform, it got burden on us that we do something in time vagera vagera. But if we feel better in our clothes, then it's uh, feeling better, and we do something that we want, not in burden or in pressure like this.
Yeah, many students are not comfortable in college uniform, or they don't like this type uniform. This reason.
But uniforms are identity of some schools.
Yeah, but some students are not.
If anybody is sending me into chat box, don't send me. Rather than you just unmute and speak, Mayur. Because this is oral activity, so that is not for writing. So 100 students are connected here right now. So for what we are here, just ask yourself, for what we are here, why do we want to join this AP session? What additional advantage will I get? And accordingly, everybody try to contribute. Only few students are.
Sometimes uniform is useful for our safety.
What kind of
What
safety,
type of
Rituja?
safety?
In case of girls,
But now we are capable of our safety, own safety, not anyone's safety. We are able
not
to
I am saying not for college students, as it's useful for our school students.
How I didn't get.
Yeah, please elaborate your point.
She says that means anyone is missing at that time also.
Yeah, in case of little children's, uniform is necessary.
Yeah.
But it's topic about college, not children or something students under 10th.
Not
We are
about
in
college.
college.
Sir,
Ah,
sir already said that school or colleges, not only colleges.
you read
That,
on screen
that's why
in the
I take
college.
this point.
But I think uniform is a symbol of discipline. It always remembers us that we are officials and we have to act responsibly. And always it remembers us that we are one. Our unity is impossible. Sorry, our unity is important, and it always remembers that there is no should be change in between on the basis of caste, color. That's it always I think destroy the racism, such things like that.
Yes, I am agree with you. But college in college,
And also
letting
on the
students.
basis of richness or poorness, that means if we are wearing different clothes, that there are very much varieties in that. So richness, poorness be a big role in differentiate with in students.
Yeah, I am agree with you. If anyone has any problem, but
In college side, letting students means what they can comfortable of which uniform, or asking all students, or
When all students wear uniform, it's comfortable for college too.
yeah, which uniforms comfortable
No,
all.
we can't decide all are comfortable. Some are comfortable in his own clothes. We decide what we want. But I think financial problem is not a main problem. We think about that in college. We are able to spoke what we want, what we want to say. That if it is agree or disagree, it's our problem, not others' problem. Then how can you say richness or poorness? It doesn't matter. If we are thinking, then all thinking is not compulsory. Na?
College is nothing about individual, it is about a group.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
but
am agree with this.
sometimes we want to individual, not you study individual. Then how you said that group is in that? Sometimes individual is compulsory. We are an individual person, then we have thinking about individuality, something else like that.
It is different thing, na Sanskriti. The uniform is showing unity in us.
Unit.
It
I said
remembers us our
unity is.
responsibility as a student.
But college allows
Unity
Sometimes
to
is
we got
not
forgotten
students.
our
depend on
responsibility.
thoughts.
We don't study individually always. Sometimes it needs to study in group also.
I didn't say sometimes. I say sometimes individual is preferred because it's obvious thing, not a.
Yes, I'm agree with you. And
Yes,
also,
Sanskriti, but Yes, Sanskriti, but for individual, there is 1 or 2 days to wear a color clothes without uniform.
But the freedom is also important, no?
That's why college allows to students express themselves how they want to limit
Ah,
money the
I agree
parents
with
have
him.
to spend
College
with
is a place
college
where all
school.
And
right.
if are
I
wearing our college uniform, then we feels like we are representing our college or our institute. So it will be great that you have to
Yeah, but firstly, college allows to student express themselves what kind of uniform they want to choose or comfortable. All students' money the limit of this.
but not only by uniform we can represent our college. Unity is also not dependent on uniform. It may be dependent on
Yeah, right.
thoughts also. So individual freedom is important to what we have to wear or not.
Yeah, but one uniform choosing all students. No? All students giving her response which uniform they want. All students, not one.
That's the point. That's why we want uniform. We want our self clothes or something.
I think I agree with that, sir. The purpose of going to college is to pursue knowledge. A uniform doesn't enhance learning, neither discipline. So we are enough mature to know what to wear.
Here we
Yes, sir,
want
I
to
am.
just now conclude this. So someone just conclude and then we'll have a discussion over this. Someone conclude it. Okay, would like to conclude. Okay, so I think that Nikita, you just conclude then. Jagtap, if no one is there.
What I get is that a college uniform means that everyone has to look the same, and but everyone has different opinions. So, but college should take the opinions of from students also. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So here we will just close this discussion, and I would like to tell you that a kind of progress is here. I can see here between because number of students who are participating, there are more, and also the views they're expressing, that is also nice. But again, that is not up to the satisfactory level. Okay. To begin with, that is okay, or as far as we are practicing, for that it is also okay. So those students who are listening, they need to learn that why can't we participate, and those who participate, that as far as Nikita, you just took lead here in the beginning and in the closing also, but that is not sufficient. Again, you just try to learn how to begin a topic in group discussion. So first of all, you are just going to say maybe good afternoon, this is Nikita or something like this, whatever. And today we have got the topic, should uniform be compulsory in the college? And I would like to just appeal all the group members here to contribute your opinion in a positive way, something like that. The beginning should be there, and then you afterwards start you talking, expressing your points. So in the beginning, if you're taking lead, this you're addressing commonly to everybody to participate. It is a kind of appeal, it is a kind of let's say even request also to participate each and every member of group. Like that you can start. Apart from that, those who are again here, we people found that two flows, two opinions, that one is in favor of uniform, that it should be there, and what are the points. I think that Nikita, Kanksha, Shubham, they have raised important points also. And maybe from opposition also, there were another group that was in opposition of uniform, and you have to express it freely. So here you don't think that if you're expressing the opinion against uniform, it means that you are talking against the college. Here we are just for discussion. Okay, so this is just for discussion. It is not actually we are going to talk about uniform, whether it may be compulsory or not compulsory, because actually nothing is in our hand, not in my hand or in your hand also. If college decides there should be uniform, we can't do like this. So we are discussing here it, and it has to be professional. I think that Sanskruti, while expressing your opinion, sometimes it seems that a kind of let's say seriousness. I think that Sanskriti in between, it seems that you are about to laugh at some points or information. So if it is realized that you're not serious, that shows your casual approach. Here it is okay, but remember that in final discussion, you're going to discuss it professionally. Okay, so therefore you just don't try to make any let's say funny comments, or don't laugh, or don't make fun of others, or something like this also. And also there should be clarity of thought. I think that Sanskrit, and there are a few students who are facing that they have the thought, but actually they could not express because of the lack of sentence construction. Problem is with sentence construction, and because of that, only one sentence they are expressing. Like I think that Rutuja is there, Sanskriti also sometimes, and maybe there are other students also. I do not exactly remember everybody's response, but there are some people, they are just expressing only one sentence. And sometimes I think that in case of Rutuja, you're asked for explanation or to give example. So you are making a point, always support it with sufficient information, explanation, examples, data, percentage, or statistics should be ready with you. So here you were not able to explain or give example in kind of the security you said, or safetyness. Here that is important, because you should be ready with those things also. So Aditya, Suraj, Nikita, Tad, and Pradnya, and everyone, in fact, those who participated here, your people are, remember, feel proud, feel confident that your people can just actually participate in such discussions. But if we practice like this daily, then only it will be a big change that we people can see in upcoming placements and activities like this. Otherwise, if we are doing here in just only CIP sessions, that is not enough. You people have to do a lot of activities here. You have to go for a number of topics also, because see, if you're thinking of simple topics like college uniform, that is not, because maybe topics may come from economics, topics may come from politics, topics may come from health and current affairs, and so many things. So here your reading matters. If you're not reading anything apart from your studies, that is not okay. So maybe whenever you're free apart from your studies, you should try to have a look about current affairs, what is happening about, which are the new things are coming into technology, into maybe politics, into maybe government, and so many things which are happening around you. So reading matters a lot, and your general knowledge matters a lot when people are going to participate into such discussions. So again, another point
sir.
or problem. Okay, I will give you chance at the end. Problem was of interruption also. In case of Prasad, I just try to remember that once you have completed, and then if you want to speak, ensure that if other people are not speaking, so interruption is not okay in the beginning. Okay, if other person is speaking and you're interrupting them and then you're speaking, that is not okay. You have to wait patiently for some time, and if still that person is not in position to stop, in that case you have to interrupt, but interrupt by saying sorry to interrupt, or sorry to interrupt you, but I want to raise an important point, something like this. And I think that you people were using some phrases, I agree or disagree, but here also I think that many of the students, that they were saying, they were using the phrase I am agree. And I think that I have told you many of the times this is a wrong sentence using I am agree, or if you're saying that I am not agree, that is also not right. So you people have to learn it correct, that this I agree will be the right way. Or if you are not in agreement, in that case you can say I don't agree, so that will be a right way. So you just try to remember this may happen subconsciously, but even then also we will try to do it. Yes, that's all from my side. Now you people can ask your queries. Yes, Sanskriti, you were about to say something.
Yes, sir. Sorry for my laugh, but I didn't mean that. That's my nature. That's why I laugh. So sorry.
Okay, but
That's it.
if it is your nature, that's fine. But if we are discussing it, it should not feel that you're taking it casually. If it is nature, that's fine. But I'm an unknown person or I'm a stranger. Imagine that I may be from a panel, interview panel, and I don't have any idea about your nature or all those things. So in that case, I may assume that you're taking it casually or you are in a mood or you're laughing at it. It seems like this. So maybe you just try to find it out how you can just be it in another way. So another important point that I would like to tell you, nobody should take it personally. Okay, here it is just for discussion and this is professional discussion. If anybody is trying to make point against your opinion, accept it that we all are here in the class, same class, we are learning, all we are friends, and personally nobody is going to take it. And again, there is another important point in group discussion is that you should not hurt the feelings of others. Okay, and if unknown or by mistake, if somebody has said something, nobody should take personally. Okay, that is also another important thing that you people have to remember. Yes, that's fine, Nikita. These activities should be there more and more. If today we have done only one, and again in that one, I already told you that hardly how many, that 10 to 12 students. Only 12 to 15, maximum 12 to 15 students try to participate, and here we are in numbers 100. Okay, so remaining students, those who are listening here and those who wanted to participate but did not collect the courage and dare to unmute and speak for them also, because there is a kind of fear. If I speak, then what will happen, or what will other think? If I make a mistake, then what will happen? So these are negative thinking that you people have to remove it and just start communicating. Okay, all right. So maybe for today's session, that much is. In next session, we people want some people who can give individual presentation. I think that today is Saifa given like this. So others, just raise your hands so that we can take it in next session. Individual presentation as well as group discussion. And remember, I'm not going to give topic in advance. You people have to be ready to discuss some topics on this spot only. So that will make us practice. So first of all, 2 to 3 names for individual presentation. Who will be? New names should be there. You can raise your hand so that I can understand. I'll mark your name so that you can be ready for next time. I think that Shubham, you are going to prepare it next time. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Shubham is there for next time. Apart from Shubham, others. Bit fast. We'll take attendance and we will close here today. Give me 2 more names. Raise your hands and come spontaneously. Don't be a kind of forced activity. Don't expect like this. Okay, if no one is ready, then see, I will not also force, remember. Sanskriti, we will do. I mean, Sanskriti, you come for
Okay,
individual presentation also.
Okay, sir. No problem.
And one more will take. From B division, we'll take one more. Aditya will come. B45 Aditya.
Yes, sir.
All right, these 3 students for individual presentation, you can choose topics of your favorite area and you just prepare it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then for a group discussion, we people will have another topic. Okay, so we'll take attendance here and we'll stop here. So first of all, from division A, roll number 1, 2, 3 absent. Then 4, 5, 6, 7 absent. Then 8, 9 absent. Then 10, 11 absent. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 absent. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 absent. 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 absent. No, 36 is present, Atharv.
So 36 is all present.
Yes, 36 is present. Only 34 and 35 absent. 37, 38, 39 and 40 absent. 41, 42, 43, 44 absent. 45, 46, 47, 48 absent. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Then 55 to 57 absent. 55, 56, 57 absent. 58, 59 absent. 60 absent. 61, 62, 63, 64. Then 65 and 66 absent. 67, 68, 69, and 70. So from division A,
Sir, A65 is present.
yes, 65 is there. 66, you are not following the pattern, so therefore you come at the end. Okay, so absent numbers are roll number 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 11, 16, then 31, 34, 35, 39, 40, 44, 48, 55, 56, 57, 59, 60, 65. These are absent.
Sir, 65 present.
Who is 65? Name?
Prasad Thorat.
And who is 66 then? I marked 66 present, Prasad.
Sir, mistakenly I wrote 66.
So 66 is absent then. 65 present, 66 absent. All right. So from division B now we will go for attendance. Roll number 1 is absent. 2, 3, 4 absent. Then 5, 6, 7 absent. 8, 9, 10, 11 absent. Then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 absent. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 absent. 24, 25, 26, 27 absent. 28, 29, 30 absent. 31, 32, 33, 34 absent. 35. Then 36 to 38 absent. 36, 37, 38 absent. 39, 40 absent. 41, 42, 43 absent. 44, 45, 46 absent. 47, 48 absent. Then 49, 50 absent. 51, 52, 53 absent. 50, 4, 55, 56, 57, 58 absent. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 absent. So from division B, absent numbers are roll number 1, 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 18, 23, 27, 30, 34, 36, 37, 38, 40, 42, 43, 46, 48, 50, 52, 53, 58, 69. Okay, so I think that B22 is also there who has joined Nishita Patil. Okay, all right. So we'll stop here. We'll end this meeting, but do come prepared. If you're not prepared, now in that case, it becomes difficult for we people to just conduct the session. Okay, but if you're prepared, in that case, it becomes more interactive and we will enjoy this. So everybody come prepared. We'll stop here. I will end this meeting. B33, you are present. I have noted it. So thank you for joining today and do join for next session also.